Hello, ama saberin Sipai kan ti photange. Hey, tuna hian video pakhat kan ron share don chewa. Thamasa khanin kan nu pale kan fanu defini nen England-ah kan hankal vea. Mana tanga kal chak to kan nia kan pa hi history lampang atuya nia. Chuti rualin keila hi castle lampang te lai atang po Cinderella ti vel angreng lo castle chung chang vel lo chiar ve to thin kha kania kai kala hmubik lowa keipon chuwang chuanin kan pa in research tam takati hnuwa hun thum hun li vel kalna tur kha confirm kan nei ta a chuta chuan kan hankal ta a kan hlimin kan lom em a tuna ka video ron share tur cheu hi Rome-hovin an wall an lo sak le an fort an lo sak kha ania ke chuana a chanchin ka hre em lowa mai ro chu kan pa hianin a hria a ani hi history lam hria ani wangin tin a hmun hi mawi em a ke tongkam thiam lo lutuk hianin han soi vak tur po ka nei lowa chuwang chuanin a thla vel hi lo en ve mai ula kan soi dik lowa kan tong swal bor ani pon min lo hria thiam sak ula tin video hi kan pa ne na kan lak dun ani na lak ania ke na ka lak bok ania chu kan han da khoma ma hi da khom tu nia a then lai chuanin a da dan kha mizo tongin ke in ka soya wang khanin a in sul pel dan te kha adik lowa chuanin min lo hria thiam sak don ania tin karon soile adu chu hei ka subscriber te in nena lom thu han soile adu mi te chuanin subscriber sing khat in nei to ka lom pui che an ron tia hei reilo te chungin karin ain min lo hlut puya alom om hi ka tingoi ngoya hetiang hi ka lo ring phak lowa atira karon soi ang khanin kanu le ka thian nu in min han bo rauhsan khanin an mani te kan hriat reng thei nan kan tu le fa te an hu ve thei reng nan ti in a om ang kha kan ron da a tin kan video te po mi te angin a thalowa mi te ponin ron soi naknaka kala thiam vak lowa ka thiam bel zel zoka tuna hianin mi te angin professional takin ka ti thiam ve lo ba ka video da then khat hi man kum tam takkal ta mi te kha da khom ania chu wang chuanin du ang khanin alo nal thei zan lowa chu wang chuan min lo hre thiam turin ka han ngen le chewa tuna kan kalna hi lunglenthlak kum sang ni don la ya rom mi te sul nu an in hlui te an lung bang te en tura kan hankal thei hi kan hankal thei kha iti jok teng alom om hi kati em a tin kan pa hianin a chanchin tlem aziaka chu han chiar lokila hei kanau muan sang hen kan pa in sap tongin ziaka chuan kanau muan sangan mizo tongin tlemin min handa asaka ke hi tongkam thiam lo ro pui kania chuwang chuanin ka han chiar chuak mai anga mizowa ada hi in hria thiam ve theina turin ami hemi kan kalna chanchin tlang pui kha kan han soi lokanga Housesteads Roman Fort hi Hexham England-ah awmin khua aṭanga mel som pakhat vela hla omania he hmun hi AD-ah som hnih pali khan sakani AD zalia chuan he hmun hi an rauhsan le dayani Vercovicium borcovicium emaw tiin Rome ho chuan an lo soi thina hi ka soi dan hi adik lo chia ka shalo ka aspel angin ka han soi mai ni chuan I voin chuan a om na mun farm choi hianin Housestead tiin hria talo ni ta a Housestead Roman Fort hi Rome-hovin AD-ah somni pahnih ya an sakani a Northumberland district a Hadrian Wall mitam tak chuan in hriat ka ring thawa Hadrian Wall po hi Roman ho sak thawania Hadrian Wall bula shula an sakani chuanin homestead Roman Fort hi kaldu chuan aman pe ka ngaya I visitor center kan han kala ticket te kan leya he hmuna hianin inthiar na te oma restaurant te oma museum te omboka tin souvenirs leitur te po a oma chung te tana han hon sak ve tur helai hianin kan kar kan park ta a chuanin a fort omna lai hi tlang sang ani a chukle chho kal anga yan tia mel chan ve vel ani engpo ni se hei kan video hi duain a reide uhleka kalo share ve du si chewa a reide wani chuanin in enzo man lo wani chuanin nakina in enzui le zelanga abula tanga top thlengin lo en ve ula in ngai tua na kha kumsang ni don lai kalta rom mite chet na hun kha ania in mitha khan lo da ve ula an lung bang te an lung rem te an chauka te an barak te mun tam takha kan han la don ania tam zo ka chu alo cheto a amairo chu ari ruang a hriat theya I tin rom mite an lo fin dan kha chu history hria te chuan kan hre mai theya hei sewage system te hi an lo nei tha em a tuikal tlang dan tur te air condition le khovo lutuk laya ti lum dan te kholum laya hanin ti vo dan te kha an building atang khan an lo ri ruang sa vek maya an lo fin zia kha a hria ta ni engpo ni se atop thlengin lo en ula in hena kalom em e ti karan soi le du ani kalom
Notice how nice this road is.
That's what I was saying. Why is it nicer?
It's even painted, even though newly painted.
But when we were back in the city, it's garbage, right?
Highways are pretty good too, but city roads are pretty bad. Tawlh Fort.
ole hei we're into English countryside kan kala nuam hle meya Vawiinah kan kalna tur hi a special em a hei homestead Roman Fort tin ya heta hianin Romi tena an sulnu an lo nei to Romi tena sulnu an lo nei to chumi huna chuan kan kaldona an lung bang sak velte kan han endon ani amoi in anwam em maya chuwang chuanin a phur om hle maya an countryside hi amoi vong maya hei a lunglenthlak em a an lung bang zong lung bang hi om phei put maya ta hianin mel zatam tak lung bang an sakha kan endon ani a phur om hle maya heng te mu theya kan la dama kan nom hi van ni thlak ka tia man laya an lo khovel lo man dan te le tun laya kan khovel man dan te ai nang lo em ti achiang reng mai ni hi boina kal na man laya an lo sak lo om dan to azi anya ma se heng zong hi tam tak hi a chevek to ala bang pom chun kha kan endon ani helaya hianin mi tam takin engeni an hemi hidron wall ah hian an kal chhuak thin an backpack nen mel som sari vel ani atia chunga chuanin an kal thin a hei man laya an lo om dan le an khosak dan heng zong hi an han ta chua hi helai hianin tam tak chu om lo to lo ma se heng hi kan vela en turin kan kal don ani ole hei kan kal na tur chu hidron wall kan kal na per tu chu nia heta hianin mel chan ve nuwa a fort kha om ta hei helai hian aran ziak veka kan kal na tur kan kal dan tur te ta hianin Roman-hovin an lo in bual dan te an wel te le an chapel te khatiang zong kha a hlui to kan en don ani tuna hian an lung bang sia kan en reng hian a rei to ti hi a hriat Vawiinah laya tangan lo siam an lung rem su ta son beram tam takan oma kina kan la kalanga hei an lung bang te hi a rei to ania heng zong hi van lunglenthlak em khi beram an tam em buka
So we're here at Housesteads Fort near Hexham, England, Roman Fort, excuse me. And we haven't got to the fort yet. We parked and we're walking up the path of a pretty steep hill for an old person. And it's very pretty. Hundreds and hundreds of sheep in the fields on the way. But we're going to be there maybe in about 5-10 minutes. And then we'll show some nice pictures of the fort.
hi ake hi na kal thei lawa tlang lon te ngai de bawk sia hei hi boi thlak de ka asoi ang khanin roman kulh mite kulh an siam le an bang siam lui chato kan endon ni ya hei asoi ang khanin namwa hi moi em beram hi an tam em mai ni they eat the grass, right, honey?
Yeah, they just eat. They're animal lawnmowers.
Oh, animal and grass in ayan tikhanin an emaw maya lawnmower ko ngai lo ni chu an ma ni an lo try and ngai box si lawa so they don't need to feed, they feed on the grass, right?
That's all they need. Yeah.
Tak lokal ru nah kalian buang aja hey. Hello, you're so handsome. Amoy ani ber mai na lunglenthlak beram ho te po ei turan nga mai hei grass a hi hnim hi khi helaya hianin in awma khing po khi in hlui tak tak ani to ti a hriata khilai khianin admission puisa kan pe ka ngaia hemi en tur hian chu kan han kal phot don ani
Right here. Newcastle, Sunderland's right here on the coast.
What is that?
Oh, this is the shows where the wall starts and ends. Well, from one ocean to the other. Well, it's the same ocean, really. See, here's Newcastle where we're staying. It started here.
How many miles?
73 miles, all the way across,
from Pathum.
all the way to Branagh on the ocean, on the Atlantic, I guess. Actually, Ireland's over here.
So that's the wall up there, right?
This is the wall. This is the
fort.
Okay.
I'm sorry, it's not the wall. It's the fort.
Okay, a fort.
It's the wall of the fort. The wall's gonna be on that.
Okay.
Look, I can see that hill over there.
Oh, that's right.
See how the wall goes up?
It is kind of cool how they put it up on this hill. Right?
Purposely.
So
Yeah,
they
on
can
the hill,
see.
not down there. You know. They have the high view. They can see far. Look how far you can see that way.
Yeah, they can see. In the mite ni bokan tlang chunga fort an sa ti chuan in wall and built boka mu thui thei hle ni an mel ma te po local don ta se mu thei vek ani tlatak aṭangin
Because their gates were two, of going in and going out. I don't know what.
an lung te hi tlang a hian an da chho vek a khoi aṭanga eng tin ngen lak ti te po hi ngei tua tham chu ni lung lian pui ti hianin tlang sang taka an ron rem vek mai nia.
No, the commander's house. The commander's house would always be in the center of the fort, the most safe place.
Okay, Han, can you come here and say something about it?
There's nothing I can tell you. Oh, it says Praetorium.
What
Okay,
is
so that
Praetorium?
That's the person. Daphne said it. The Praetorium was the general in charge.
Oh, he general in Roman Sipai general in commander house. Lang.
This would be his living quarters, the rooms.
Oh,
Here.
hey, here living quarter angani chu kan pai na ti seidanin halai hi an in commander in Rome Sipai.
Most of the Roman quarters for either the rich or for the Praetorium, or, commanders, were in the shape of a horseshoe.
Oh, horseshoe.
So it would be like this.
Oh.
And then look, you go up to there.
Oh,
so you went
okay.
to the left, and then you go back down.
Okay, horseshoe. Ang gonna shape
in
and
the
it's one
center-
commander into.
Then in the center they'd have an opening, like an open area, like a not a garden, but what do you call
like a where you can sit down and enjoy.
yeah, with the sun. See
Oh.
where that grass is?
Oh,
That would
okay.
be like their open area.
Okay. Wow. So how old is this fort, honey?
It's at roughly 1,800.
Hey, he sang kum sang khat le zakwat linglo de wani chu.
If I'm wrong on that, it's probably by a couple hundred years maybe. But
Yeah.
That's roughly.
Chu kum sang ni don lai. Ya an siam to ni chu hey he. Okay, what will this be?
Might be a storage.
Oh, storage.
And if there was a storage, what it'd be is that you
Oh,
come up
the
here, and there'd be steps going down. It'd be an entrance.
Can you
And there'd
imagine?
be steps going down, and it'd just be for storage.
Can you imagine how they get all these stones up on the top of the hill?
Yeah. Well, you know who built this?
Slaves.
No, not slaves. No, Hadrian's Wall and the fortifications were all built by. It was all paid, and it was all. Majority was built by the soldiers themselves.
Oh, so ang lawin Sipai na
The
an
Roman
sa kanito.
soldiers. Took 6 years to finish.
Oh, kumruk. Hemi fort built to yan kumruk. Ani to Roman Sipai ho inan sakve kanito. Head hill hitu.
Yeah, because they wanted it to be. When they wanted something, because they had to live here, and they wanted it to be safe.
Lai he alo kaltep na niya kan sangkat 16th century battle house Indona battles house tak kalau ni chu hei he alan dan tur angan siam niya helai mun hi. Walking along the wall.
Beautiful. Yeah. Big open sky. Yeah. Which is good. I mean, they could see for miles.
Oh, look, there's a cow on the other side, and mostly I think, are those cows or? Yeah.
Right. It'd be hard, except at night. Yeah.
Hey, cần kal chầu dễ là lúng bằng rem chu, ui lê mày, heng zong he, khu ta trong cái nan là có ngay đón xía, cùng rục chuông chuồn nha, asa tu tên tam viau nhang hay, thì chuan in hemi wall hi, mail za sari som nga kan ti to khamo khata khanin
This is great. The sun.
Yeah, great when we get to this out.
yeah.
Absolutely terrific. Hey, hon.
Yeah, it takes
Look at this. Come up here and I'll explain. Stand up here. Don't try
Okay.
to do from another.
Okay, can find na hat selfie adon na ni hi. Hold on 1 second, okay, hon. I'll go here.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
So, this room right here, you
Uh-huh.
see these
Hemi
these
room.
stones that are sticking horizontal straight up and down.
Oh, hello.
That's because the floor would actually
Dung
be
da na
on
chan.
top of them.
Oh, okay. Hi aban na ni chu lung achung a hianin floor om ta.
That'd be for two reasons.
Okay.
In the summer, it would help with ventilation,
Okay.
and in the winter, they could actually put fires underneath, and it would heat the floor.
Oh, okay. Let me explain that. Chuanin hemi lung an da na chan hi chu thasika men chem theya. Chuanin nipui lain engeni ventilation atan an siam ani bokani.
So yeah, the floor level would have been right here.
Oh. Okay, floor
You
level
would
kulai
have
hunia.
stepped.
Okay, step pa
right there,
omanga
and
ko
then
ta
right
kan.
here.
Okay.
Oh, in here too.
Okay.
This is bigger. Same thing though.
Oh, hey po hi anya ma se.
Sorry.
Okay, hey Julian Zok, this is a bigger room. Okay. A room Julian Zok le may helai chu. Vahan hu na mem lungal tileng man lai rom mite sul nu han mu chu aro pui le mai aman la le mai lai mun a local hi.
Don't hold on. Let me get a phone. 1, 2. Okay, good. You can see the wall, honey. And it goes down.
Okay, hold on.
Here's the wall.
Okay, so here, hey hi an lung bang
Would have been higher.
chu nita hey hi.
It would be roughly like 2 of me high.
Oh,
That's super high.
so how tall the wall will be? Like 12 foot?
Probably 12 foot. Once again, I don't know exactly, but it'd be generally 12 foot.
Okay.
Somewhere near there, roughly. Probably twice as high as what you're looking at right there. Maybe a little more.
Fi som pani ta la ni chu heng hi chu aram cheto kha ni ta. Okay, what is this?
I don't know. It looks like rooms. Maybe they're rooms where they kept weapons.
Okay.
You know, being right along the wall.
Yeah, okay. An ral thuam ten da na ani ang atian ni chu kan pain helai hi hey ba lung bang.
You can clearly see this was an entrance.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I'm like wondering how did they like maneuver?
Yeah. I want you to take a video of me walking the wall.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, helai hi sipai ho an ri an mun ani chu kum sang khat zariat kalta vel khan an sul no hi mu thela ama van lunglenthlak tak em Okay.
I can't find it. I don't see the picture I saw.
So this is still the barrack, or?
This is the barracks. This is where the soldiers would live.
Okay.
Or sleep at least. The bathrooms, no idea. That's fine, I'm done. Can't do it.
An bathroom kha khoya che hin ya kan chu an bathroom kha an kan do nia tam ta kan kal khu deram te pon him khop mai Han, this is the oven. Hey hi an oven ani chu an thuk alian thale mai tuyatling helai hi tuyan da na hun ani mel bok Let's see, what is this? The live one here ngei try to yak ni alo kan hello hey hi chu kho chak lampang ge ta ni hi hey helai hi ni hi helai hi ral veng tu te omna gate an lo lu na ni ngei mai hey man na chuan in sang deuh ina omanga hey tu na chuan aram alabang te kan en the zel chu ni let's see what is this? Let's see.
Way too short.
What is this? Let's see. Does it say on here? Let's see. Oh, hey, entrance to the fort and yeah, a fort aluna entrance ani chu helai hi man laya dan ang tur vel hey. This is the main way to the front, but there are 3 other entrances. Have you seen them all? Hey, a main entrance anya ma sia lu na dang pathum ala omani chu. That's the main entrance, honey. Okay. Okay, hey an food supply an cho anda na ni
One of the entrance gates where they would come in and out. And this was the bottom of a tower on the left side of the gate.
Rom mite sul nu lui kan chuen hi in chuanin hydran wall an tia chuanin so lai sonin akal phei pu ta mel zasari vel asal zasari somnga vel ania chuanin helai hi east entrance ania khulai khwanin khu ta khwanin mi tam tak chuanin backpack nen ni tam tak kalin helai wall kal tlang hianin engeni hiking le khatiang khan an kal chuak ve thin ani hei beram an tam em maya beram cho po tam te mai ania hei sang khat zariat vel lai to a rom sipai ten an lungan an la kan wall le an fort sipai ho ri ana hun te ani hi ti chuanin an commander omna te ani boka heng zong hi mu nam le maya heng lung lian pui te hi khoia tangan lak nge nyang heng hi sipai ho sak ania so lai so an barak ania mu tur chu ala tam maya mai ro chu tam tak hi a chhia ni to ma se mi zong in helai mun hi arun hi en thei in an ron siam te chuanin an da zela an ek in te an drainage system te hi lo tha em maya an chauka te khu lai khwanin an cho an siam na te nia sol khi lama khianin an ral veng tu te om na te ni ta ti chuan a om na lai hun hi tlang sang lai berania an mel ma te pon helai an local an lo mu theina tur ania chuanin an fort hi an engeni an wall hi me fit som pani tal chunyanga ma se atam to lowa hei a che zo ve to ani maya kum sang ni don lai kal ta sak chu helai hi lunglenthlak khop maya an thil hlui an lo che dan te ngai to in rom sipai ho te che dan le an lo om dan so lama sonin an engeni an sipai te ta na lu na te an siama khi lama khian chak lama a hu nom em maya hetia han en hian chuan ril ru hi man laya anom dan tur te kha alo hria ta ril ru mit thlain alo chui ve ni chumo sipai ten helai zonga an in an fort an sak an lung bang sak te han en hianin an lo thiam zia te drainage system te nghe ni an chu da na te an lo siam te a lo da that thei dan te khatiang zong zong te kha a om veka mu thei veka a hlu hle mai vo in chu kan kal na chu kan Newcastle kan oma he kan local wanga I helai hi a fort a hlim thla an han siam ve deuh chu nia helai rom mite helai an lo lu na an siam na te an awm dan tur te an han lem an han ziak ve ni hi helai fort entrance nania tam tak kan la a thla chuanin hei mu nam em maya kan hei midang te pawh hi en hin tam ve maya excuse me hei ti hian nia he lampang hi east entrance ania ral do pon hei ral local ta se hei helai hi an bang hi tuna chuan a chezo ton bang hi chu som enge ni fit som pahnih tala sang som ani lo pon fit som hnih tala sang chu ani hmela chuanin a hmun hi a zau em a saw lama sawn commander quarter te oma hei khulai khu hei hi a watch tower an te hei hi ral local tur lo en na ni hei han en ula so mi mel tam tak thleng khanin a hmu theia he tlang atang hian an ral an ven tur te kha a hmu sei thei em ani ti chuanin helai hi enge ni o han en le ila helai hmun hi helai chu an in bual na ver te vani hmel ve helai hi kan han tilang le lokanga hei sulai sonin an zia ka helai hi an ek in vel le an in thiar na te an in bual na te ni om takania kan en lokanga helai hianin enge hemi soi hi helai hi khai helai hi alo ni nge ye helai hi an in thiarna an ek in te khai khu alem khu han en ula an ek in thiarna te hi an lo ti tha em a khu ti khwan hei alem hi en ula hei ti khan helai cha hi nia tui in thiarna tur khu a om nga la helai hi an ek na tura ta na toilet an lo siam ve chu ni an lo fing hle maya hei a drainage system te hin lo nei thalu tuka so beram pon tam mai beramin ei turan nga hle maya kan pa in lon mo ngai lo beramin an ei zo vekatia chu wang chuanin hei kan kal na hi a mu nam hle maya lunglenthlak boxia hei helai hi mol hianin ani mai helaian hianin hei hi chu ka hre chi alo an zia hi chun ziak zela hei hi khi lampanga khian commander omna intela om zela chuanin an chauka te so lama oma an lo thok na sa ti hi a hriat lutuk mai ani chu
And here we have the communal latrine or toilet, and those bowls, stone bowls in the center, is the water they'd use to clean themselves with after they did their business.
yes. Yay, you're walking on the Hadrian Wall.
Roman soldier.
Woo.
Good. Seen on pictures and online that go up hills much steeper than that, you know, like that. And I've always wondered, okay, so it was wide enough for a couple soldiers to walk along the top. When it went up a hill steep, was it still flat on top or was it stepped?
They probably had steps. I mean, often, like you see your United States, America. Yeah. So over here, you often have forts. So you have the wall,
Right.
and inside you have a ledge to stand on, so that you're maybe only that much showing you
Oh,
of you above the wall.
Okay.
So there may have been wooden steps at the side, something like that,
Oh, okay.
which would be easier to repair than stone steps.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, less work, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause I've seen the pictures on like, so yeah. Oh well, right there you could see that hill in the distance, and it looks
Yeah.
like it's running along there.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it runs along the edge.
Yeah.
Obviously, they use the edges as extra fortification.
Right.
You only have to build your wall 6 feet, perhaps, instead of 20 feet.
It was already too hard for someone to try to climb up.
Yeah.
You know, the side
Yeah.
of the hill.
Yeah.
So yeah, that makes sense. Interesting. Well, thank you.
You can imagine they wouldn't put British people stationed here too close to home. British people would be maybe down in Egypt.
Yeah, hey. Amo inti ve tawang tira cool. I can't beram rualan tamboka.
There's you can see here perfectly that floor is elevated off the ground for ventilation.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, video kan naron tit.
Here you have the north gate where people could enter and exit out of the fort. There would be towers on either side of these two entrances. And then the wall would continue on in both directions.